Hello, let us understand treating a patient with low systemic arterial blood pressure with integrative system of medicine. What is integrative system of medicine? Integrative system of medicine is the best combination of the complementary system of medicine with the conventional system of medicine like allopathy and homeopathy, whereby we treat almost every case for the better results. Now, whenever a person has got very low blood pressure, the patient will be having giddiness, the patient will be having decreased perfusion of the major organs of the body. Sometimes the patient needs to get admitted. Sometimes the patient may need to be admitted in an ICU setting. Whenever a patient is having a chronic low blood pressure, then the patient will be able to manage all his symptoms. Now, whenever a patient has got acute low blood pressure, whenever his blood pressure falls down a critical value suddenly, then the patient has to be brought into the hospital and to be admitted in the ICU. First of all, the treating doctor will try to find out the reason why a person has got low blood pressure. There are various reasons why a person can have low blood pressure. The doctor will try to understand and analyze the situation why a person has gone into low blood pressure. Now, whatever the cause may be, the doctor has to first of all try to raise the blood pressure beyond the lower critical value to preserve the life of the patient. Sometimes, even though doctors give the fluids and the inotropic supports, the patients may not respond because of the underlying situation like sepsis or an organ failure or metabolic disturbance or whatever. In those situations, when the doctors try to do the best and give the required fluid support and the inotropic support and the steroid support and the antibiotic support and whatever other required supports, but still if the patient is not responding, the blood pressure is still going down, we can use integrative medicine in such patient to help the patient's blood pressure to come up. Integrative medicine can be used in such patients to increase the blood pressure over a period of time. Along with the antibiotics, along with the inotropic support, along with the fluids, along with the steroids and other life supporting methods, homeopathy also can be integrated for the better use and for the bringing up of the blood pressure in such patients. Homeopathy can also be used in an ICU setting. Yes, that's true. So whenever you find a patient in ICU, if at all the patient is not responding with the regular allopathic treatment, well, there can be some promising result by using the integrative system of medicine. There is hope beyond hopelessness with integrative system of medicine. After all, integrative system of medicine is trying to gain more than what you actually plan. Thank you for listening.